In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Terms and Conditions checkbox fast and easy. Let's dive right in and make sure your site is up to the standards in just a few simple steps. First, we need to access your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub where you'll manage all the content and settings for your site. So go ahead and log into your WordPress account to reach the dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the menu on the left-hand side and find the option labeled Pages. Clicking on this will bring up a list of all the different pages you've created on your website. Now, what we need next is to create a new page specifically for your terms and conditions. To do this, you'll click on the Add Page button, which you'll find at the top of the Pages section. Creating this new page is straightforward. In the title field, type Terms and Conditions. This title is crucial as it will appear in the drop-down list later when configuring the settings. Feel free to add the necessary terms and conditions content in the body of this page if you haven't done so already. Once you've filled in the details, make sure to publish this page by clicking the Publish button. Your Terms and Conditions page is now live on your site. Next, we need to link this page to your WooCommerce settings. Head back to the dashboard, and this time you'll click on WooCommerce, which should also be on the left menu. Now we're venturing into the settings of your e-commerce setup. Under WooCommerce, find and click on Settings. Within the WooCommerce Settings tab, you'll see multiple options, and the one we need is Advanced. This section allows you to customize various important settings for your store. In the Advanced settings, look for an area titled Page Setup, where there should be an option labeled Terms and Conditions page. This is where we're going to connect your newly created page with your checkout process. Click on the drop-down list next to Terms and Conditions page and select the page you titled Terms and Conditions. This step is critical as it ensures customers checking out are required to agree to your terms before completing their purchases. Once you've made this selection, don't forget to click Save Changes at the bottom to update your settings. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled a Terms and Conditions checkbox on your checkout page, making sure your store is protected and compliant. Thank you for following along, and as always, if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.